The Bravo Spotter and Bravo Plus portable carpet and upholstery spot cleaning machines are lightweight and easy to use. The Bravo Spotter is a compact unit that gives incredible efficiency and is suitable for use by all professional carpet cleaners. It can be used in domestic and commercial sectors for the quick cleaning of spots, spills on carpets, upholstery and even car interiors. The Bravo Plus features a larger capacity aimed at cleaning small carpeted areas using the lightweight stainless steel carpet wand. A hand tool is an optional extra. The main unit contains the clean solution tank as well as the vacuum motor and the pump. Fill the tank with the clean solution. There is a small black mesh filter on top of the vacuum motor housing. This should be checked, removed and cleaned regularly. Replace the top section of the machine, which is the recovery tank. The switch panel is at the rear of the machine. The illuminated green switch is the main switch. The black two-way rocker switch operates the unit. Switch up to run just the vacuum motor and down to operate both the vacuum and the pump. The use of the foamer is highly recommended. Dilute the product as per label instructions and feed directly into the recovery tank inlet prior to use.